Welcome to your first tutorial video for using iMovie on the iPad. In this lesson, we'll be looking at importing video and basic editing skills. To get started, the first thing that we need to do is to launch iMovie. You'll see it on my screen in the bottom right-hand corner, the purple icon with the star in the middle. So let's click that and launch iMovie. Once we click that, you see that we have some options at the top of the screen. We have video, projects, and theater up at the top. Mine's already defaulted to projects, but if yours isn't there, go ahead and click that on the top of the screen. Once you do that, click the plus sign where it says create projects. After we click create project, it will give us the option of whether we would like to make a movie or a trailer. Trailers are a lot of fun, and I hope that you get to use those later on, but for right now we're going to focus on movie, so that's what we're going to click. After we do that, it takes us to our theme options. Although again, there are some great themes. You can see different ones with thumbnails down at the bottom of your screen that you can use to enhance your presentation. But for this one, we are going to keep it simple by choosing the simple theme that's already selected. Now that we are in editing mode in iMovie, you can see that we have three screens to work from. On the bottom of the screen is our movie editor. Down there, in just a minute, we'll be working with our video clips. On the top left screen, we have our preview area. This is where we can watch our video as we create it. Last, up on the top right is our controls area. This is where we can access special tools to add sound effects, video, and photo effects. Of course, this is also where we'll be accessing videos from our camera roll. To get started, first we need some video clips to work with. To get at these, I'm going to click on the video button on the control screen. After that, I'm going to click on Recently Added to view the last video clips that I imported. To bring a video clip down to the editing area, I first click on it with my finger. Then we will see a down arrow. We click on this down arrow to bring the clip down to the editing area. To play it again, I simply drag the clip into the editing area so that the white play bar is at the beginning of the video again, and then I click the play button. So I have my first clip now in the editing area, but I need the other clips that I need to create my video. I get those by doing the same set of steps. I click on each one and then click the down arrow to bring them down until I have all 6 clips that I want to use for my video. I'm now going to use a feature called Fast Forward to get through those steps a little faster for you. Now that I have all 6 clips down in the editing area, I can drag the video back to the beginning. I have all of my clips, but when I play them together, they are out of order. They should show the kids finding Laddie the dog dirty in the mud. Then they bring over the tub, fill it with water, bring the dog over and into the water. Then the dog escapes from the bath and the kids spray the water at the camera. You can see, though, that the clips aren't in that order. To change the order of the clips, I click on the one that I want to move with my finger. You can see it turns yellow to show that I have it selected. Then I click and hold, and then drag it to the left in my editing area to move it before the other clips in the video. I repeat this process until I have all of my clips in the proper order. Sometimes I accidentally drop a clip by letting my finger go. If I do that, I just click on the clip again to highlight it, hold, and then drag it where I want it to go. To make this part go a little faster for you, I'm going to use that fast forward feature again. That's better. There we go, all done. Now, as we go back through and preview the video, we can see that the clips are in the proper order so that we can tell our story. Let's fast forward just one more time to get through this a little more quickly. The last thing that I want to show you in this lesson is how to edit video clips. To shorten a clip, you just highlight it by clicking on it with your finger. Then you click and hold on the side of the video that you wish to shorten. Here, I'll drag on the beginning of this clip to shorten it and keep the extra footage from showing. There we go. You can see it shrinking on the preview screen. You have now completed your first lesson in iMovie for the iPad, where you learned about importing video and basic editing. In the next lesson, you will learn how to add text, like titles and end credits, to your video.